In this video, I will show you how buying 2,450 Kadena tokens in the current market will potentially set you financially free. Kadena is currently valued at about $0.484 per coin at the recording time. If you were to try to buy as much as 2,450 KDA, you would need up to $1,200. But this is the type of coin you want to hold on to for the long term. And as we move forward in this video, you'll see exactly why. A few things make all predictions about Kadena seem easy on the eye. First, Kadena is the only utility token that has grown to use the proof of work mechanism to its full potential, even more than Bitcoin has been able to. The consensus is often perceived as this lagging heavyweight that cannot carry its weight as it grows, and as such, it brings to the fore some of Bitcoin's biggest flaws in terms of scalability, speed, and affordability. The aim was to keep Kadena on the same level of security as Bitcoin while trying to resolve other peculiar problems common to POW consensus. In trying to make Bitcoin secure, they had to sacrifice the speed at which you can do transactions, and the transaction fees are awfully expensive. Kadena was born out of the innovation that aims to leverage the high security potential of POW while also becoming scalable. It relies on a multi-chain architecture to produce a blockchain that can withstand the demand to process mainstream transactions effectively. The amount of transactions it can settle instantly is about 480,000 per second. When the coin was about to launch, it enjoyed a great deal of attention from buyers, and it went out on pre-sale for about $0.5 per KDA. However, following a year of trading around that price, KDA plummeted to $0.39 before climbing to a new all-time high of $0.7 in the middle of the year as Bitcoin gained momentum. Due to selling pressure, the currency plummeted below $0.14 and the market calmed down before resuming its bullish run. Most cryptocurrencies had astonishing new growth in 2021, and KDA token's first hint of promise was reaching $1.76 in April 2022. If you had purchased the currency at $0.14, you would have received 10 times your initial investment in the enterprise. Following that, it reached to a new all-time high of $2.20, and then following a small reduction in the value of Bitcoin in the months that followed, Kadena fell to $1.45, but did not stay there long. November 2021 would be the most significant month for KDA, with its price reaching as high as $28.30 as more individuals saw it as an opportunity to benefit quickly in a bullish market that appeared to be on its way out. This was the nicest Kadena has ever been to any of its investors, and while they had hoped for more, the cryptocurrency market had other plans. Everything became red in 2022. Bitcoin was trading for as little as $16,000, down more than 76% from its all-time high. Kadena could not maintain its levels due to a market-wide fear, and everyone began selling. KDA's price plummeted to $15 before breaking through the $9.64 support level and then falling to $5. All these occurred between January and March of 2022. The price rose back to $10, but only for a short time. For more than 6 months, it would trade around $5. The crypto market deteriorated further, and Kadena's price fell to $1.38 after another loss in the market value as Bitcoin's price movement stagnated, resulting in a broad market shutdown. By the end of 2023, it had fallen slightly below $1 and was trading back and forth even as market fear faded. The coin is worth roughly $0.6 when writing, and predictions are once again high based on its previous performance. Many cryptocurrency analysts believe that Kadena will return to the $1 price level before we can discuss its long-term price. However, I am a big fan of what happens long-term. It would be wrong to look at Kadena and say it stops at $1 per token. If you had 2,450 tokens and it grows from the current price, the total profit would be just $2,450. Well, that's at least a 75% growth in your portfolio. But I'd like us to look a bit bigger. The way Kadena's market has positioned, it could close 2023 at $1. So what happens after? You just withdraw your tokens and make do with the little profit. We all remember that sense of disappointment most of us felt for missing out on Bitcoin and Ethereum when they were still small. Others bought in while the prices were low or held on through all the years after the 2018 crypto boom until the coin reached its all-time high of about $69,000 and Ethereum reached $4,891. That was a pretty good bull run if you ask me. Considering how well other altcoins performed, and with the expectations of another bull run to come, you can expect a big move from Kadena. By 2025, I anticipate that the coin could reach about $50 with an extensive market bull run. And from there, getting to $100 in 5 years will prove too easy. At the height of such price, your 2,450 KDA will be worth $245,000. And in about 10 years, you could be looking at about $1 million. Of course, it doesn't make sense to expect such a comprehensive growth without a growth in fundamentals. I think this will be down to the commitment of Kadena's development team to continue building smart functionalities into the system and attract the interest of institutional investors, as well as key partnerships that will sponsor the mainstream adoption of Kadena as a utility token globally. The team has partnered with Decasonic, a project that helps developers get funding for their projects, especially in Web3 and artificial intelligence. Many of these products can use Kadena to process their smart contracts and decentralized applications for all the ease and affordability it offers. Developers built on Kadena can rely on Decasonic's fund infrastructure to market their products and attract investors and institutional attention, benefiting the entire crypto market. Kadena's ecosystem is becoming a haven for Web3 developers worldwide. The goal has been to drive mainstream adoption by making it easy for people with little knowledge of Web3, but with innovative ideas to rely on the power of blockchain technology to make their dreams come true. This is the bound to attract the interest of corporations and tech companies who might find a common cause with blockchain technology's ability to help streamline their operations. That is the broader vision, and I expect this to significantly impact the price of KDA and bring some of these predictions to pass. This is not financial advice, but it is a good idea to sensitize you about the potential of playing the long game with a project like Kadena and how profitable it could be. You must do all the necessary research yourself and consider if it's worth adding to your portfolio.